Want to link other devices on Signal? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, open the Signal app. If you don't have this app, open up Play Store or App Store and you can download it from here. Now, launch it open. Make sure to log into your account by entering your credentials. If you want to link other devices on Signal, then all you want to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now, select Settings. Here, you will find different options. Go ahead and select Linked Devices. Now, all of your linked devices will be shown over here. If you want to link a new device, go ahead and tap on the Link a Device option. Now enter your PIN. Here it says use this device to scan the QR code displayed on the device you want to link. Tap on OK. Now tap on Allow Access. Then tap on While using this app. Now go ahead and scan the QR code displayed on the device. Once you scan it, this device will be successfully linked and it will appear here under My Linked Devices. In this way, you can easily link other devices on Signal, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.